Vir ek jou vertel, om te vertel hoe die level respirasie van my grappie waar dit vandaan kom. My English, first of all, was taught to me by my grandfather. Yeah, they were still driving the camel horses through the desert when they taught me this tale. No? This English tale, I spoke it as delicious as soup now. Okay, anyway, but now, one day, Van was getting married. You know what, but he's not all clued up, you know. He doesn't know about all the cows putting and where everything goes where in the honeymoon and so on. So he calls in for some assistance. Yeah, I don't know. So he calls in for some assistance from his brother-in-law, Fani. So Fani decides to help Van. He's going to book in next door of the honeymoon suite. You check. So, in case there's any problems, so he can assist. So, yeah, Van and Mari got married, wedding went super, reception went super, alles is just en lekker, werkte reg uit. Van en Mari got married, jy weet die troue alles loop. Daar's hulle in die honeymoon suite, en soos dieselfde ding, hartjie, bekkie, silk, fucking necklace, alles uitgesit. And like I said, Fani booked in next door in case there's any problems in the whole honeymoon procedure. Jy weet wat gebeur op 'n troue. Nee, anyway. So hier lê die twee kies op die bed. En Van is 'n sofistikeerde man, né? So hy gaan nou eers 'n bed 'n bad vang. Hy moet nou skoon wees vir sy nuwe vrou. En yeah, Van is reclining in the bath, at which stage Omari is developing a very pressing need. And believe it or not, women also have to cook from time to time. But now raak die situation quite stiff, you know, it raak quite critical. Because here's a brand new bloody husband lying in a bath. She can hardly go in, park a dirt in a pulse right next to his head. It's very soon, it's not even man. So, yeah, but the situation is critical, she got to do something. So she looks around and under the bed, she finds this little slipper case, you weet die pantoffelsakkies. God, she unzips, she maaks oop, pak a dirt in, does a nasty, maak hom weer toe en gooi hom weer terug onder die bed. Baie uitgesond, nou sê hy reg vir hom, man. Which stage the radiant van die Merwe chose to emerge from the bathroom. Ja, ook dik windgat hier in die tas is his dressing gown, so langs op die punt van die bed. At which stage Fani next door, he's at bugger all action, so hy raak nou quite bekommerd, so he's listening at the keel nou. Jy sien, hy nou hier by die sleutelgatjie besig. En Van kom so in en hy gooi sy dressing gown so punt van die bed en hy gaan sit so en hy haal hierdie pantoffelkassie so hy onder die bed uit en hy unzip en hy maak oop. Hy gooi, o God, daar's kak in hierdie doosie. Ou val die hak af, draai haar om swaar, draai haar om.